Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine, and today we're going to be taking a look at the JL Audio's new AP amplifier. This is the 606 version of it. This is a very compact, nice output, unique in the way channels 1 through 4 have good power, and channels 5 and 6 actually have a little bit more power. When you open up the box, you'll have documentation, mounting hardware, and then the amplifier. Looking at the amplifier, on the side here, you'll have a RCA input for channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then you have a USB, which is a service port. I am sure this will be for software updates and kind of looking into the unit if you had to diagnose anything inside of it, as it does have a digital display and control on it. On the other side, you have power and ground, remote input, and your 6 channels of audio output. On the face of the unit itself, you have a display there, and you have a 3-button control panel with mode and up and down arrows, and then you have a display on here. I'll show you the display here momentarily. As far as the physical appearance of the unit is very sleek, very thin, very rugged, full metal construction, just as you would expect from JL Audio. And I think this is going to be a very popular amp in the marine and power sports world for compact applications.